Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys, tires are in good condition, front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black MB Tex interior, panorama roof. We've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting. Hopping in, we've got our new steering wheel touchpad with Bluetooth capability. Including the Premium package are two 10.25 high resolution screen. The media display is now touchscreen. Also, we've got paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Push start ignition. A rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our Mercedes-Benz user experience, which is its artificial intelligence. Hey, my Mercedes.
Please repeat.
Turn on heated seats.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We also have dual climate controls, USB charging ports, our key, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, volume button. This GLB has 3,094 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB, check out feldmanimports.com.